Yes.
Item number 22.
20.
22.
Yeah.
In this matter, my lord, informant file one affidavit
Okay, bring
and
it.
document number 3/24.
Bring it. Bring it.
That is take allow it.
So you the mention for listing, my lord. An I has been filed for modification of the order, my lord.
What is the defect?
But the defect is that the complaint case has been filed instead of complaint, it says written FIR, my lord.
When?
Not tomorrow, my lord.
Not for listing of a criminal petition, my lord, for tomorrow, my lord.
Monday.
Obliged.
So I beg to mention item number 14. We may
Item
be
number?
allowed to withdraw lordship.
Item
14, 14.
1-4. Yes. Withdraw. Dismissed on withdraw.
Obliged.
LR Majumdar for the petitioner.
I play lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13 lordship.
1-3.
Yes, lordship. Lordship may be adjourn the matter for today.
1-3.
1 3.
Yes.
Adjourn.
After
1 week lordship.
10 days.
Obliged lordship. May please lordship for listing the bail application on tomorrow lordship.
Monday. BA. BA.
AV lordship.
AB Monday.
May I plead your lordship, I beg to mention item number 17 and 18, my lord. 17, 18, CD not received.
CD not received. Any interim?
Yes, my lord, interim is there. Both the cases, my lord. Bilasi Para, my lord, on June 14 June.
14 June. Interim order. Pass earlier cell khatir.
Oblast. 14 June.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 20, your lordship. There is no CD and
20.
20.
Interim is there.
When?
Julia, 14 June, my lord.
14 June.
Not 14, your lordship. And maybe 15, not 14.
15 June.
15 is 18, my lord.
18 June.
Interim.
Interim to continue.
May I please, your lordship, I am appearing for item 30 and 31, your lordship. Your lordship, can you fix the matter at 2, your lordship? I am appearing on behalf of senior GA.
I am for the petitioner, your lordship.
What is the issue here?
Is your lordship sanctioned and the proceeding is stayed there, your lordship? Probably that's why your lordship
Okay. Okay.
at 2 years.
Two not be possible. We have a DB, then after rising of the DB will come back. Ase no? Amar ase no? Yes.
Lordship. Lordship, I beg to
Please,
mention
yes, sir.
item number 28, Lordship.
2-8.
Lordship, there is one more item which is listed before the court number 12, Lordship. Lordship, both the matters pertain to the same subject matter, Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner,
Tagged along,
matters then adjourned and be listed.
tagged along with the matter of
You make a mention here. We are just adjourning it. Be listed after a week.
Lordship. So with regards to item number 24, Lordship, CD is not come.
24. Yes, sir.
Yes, my lord. CD not received, my lord.
Any interim?
Interim is there, my lord. From Tezpur, my lord.
26.
26 in the last one, 19.
19.
Another prayer regarding item number 9, Lordship.
24 interim to continue.
Oh, 206, no?
26.
26. My lord, that is 206 already 20 kori 19 line.
20.
Regarding item number 9, Lordship, I have instructions to withdraw this case. I am appearing on behalf of JP Moore.
9. Oh.
This is that jurisdictional issue.
Lordship.
You are Mr.
A. Dhanuka, Lordship.
A.
Dhanuka.
Dhanuka,
On behalf
appearing on behalf of Mr. J.P. Moore, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays that he may be allowed to withdraw this petition. Full stop. Prayer is allowed. Accordingly, this criminal petitions and dismissed on withdrawal. Yes.
Item 23, Lordship, case there is of 2 FIRs were called for, Lordship.
Item number
23, Lordship. One
Nolbari and Paneri.
in which we are seeking bail and the other lodged by us.
Yes.
The second FIR on last occasion also CD was not received.
Yes.
Today also not received.
So now what to do?
Lordship may kindly fix on some other day, Lordship.
So we'll have to dictate the what is the case number, what is this, and you want this to be done at mentions this without taking the file, or you want that your file should be taken at the mention time. Prayer rejected. Yes. Scan copies. Huh? Scan copies of. Scan copies of what, Mr.
NDPS case number 5/2021 pending before the learned session judge Amin Gaon at Kamrup.
Amingaon at Kamrup, along with case diary of.
NCB crime number 17/2021.
Okay.
Only the
But
date.
case diary is not necessary. Only record will do because we want the sheet evidence. Yes.
Absolutely.
When? No, he will not be. Huh?
10 days, after 10 days, Lordship.
After
In the
10.
meantime, we will file our
Okay.
objection.
Please this matter on. After 12th of June, full stop. The learned standing, the learned standing lage. The NCB may in the meantime file objection.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
Lot 413 an application. Malad. In custody since 18/5. The FIR, your lordship will find at page 13. Malad.
How many days?
From 18/5. Malad.
Wait, next week.
Next week.
Yes.
Give a date.
Next week, my lord.
Toy gun with SB uniform.
Yes, my.
But they were basically bouncer. Malad. Their dress also appears to be like that. Malad.
But why the toy gun?
Well, that was a
They
lighter. Malad.
play.
That was a lighter one. And the person Malad, who accompanied them, who actually he has not been arrested. Malad.
6th of June.
Because he hired you
Yes.
with a toy gun.
Yes.
When? 6th of.
6th. Good.
CD. Yes, same. Same, out of the same. 2 and 3 same. CD. Yes, diary. When? What about?
My lord, on 11th of June, my lord.
Give a letter that NDPS. Let us see.
NDPS. Then on my lord, 26th of June. my lord.
26. Yes, same. NDPS.
26, 27, 6 months.
27. Same, NDPS.
Yes. On my lord, 26, 6 months.
26. Same, NDPS. Bothakor,
Yes, my lord. CD on my lord, 27, 6 months.
27.
Games and betting, my lord. I am a handicapped person, my lord. Actually, my lord,
How many days?
on 23, my lord, actually, my lord, I have a handicap. My lord. For natural call,
That's
it's
why you are doing this business.
very difficult, my lord.
Yes, but what you say? He's running tier
Yes.
because he cannot move. Give him employment, he will not do this. What to do?
Lord, any short date may be fixed.
When? Tell us.
Uh,
Sort it.
On my lord, 5th of June.
Only for the natural call, my lord, I couldn't, my lord, go there, my lord. If it's a European English, my lord, toilet, it would be, that's the problem, my lord.
What are the recoveries were made from
My
it?
lord, 4 notebooks, my lord, page 13, my lord.
Page
13, 1-3, my lord. Round of arrest, my lord, number 2. Four notebooks have been seized containing 3 numbers and 3 tickets. Not to indulge, my lord.
Will it be able to provide commode in the jail or police station? Another difficulty.
That's the problem, my lord.
I will leave it to lordship. ma'am.
To the satisfaction of
CGM Kamrup Metro.
CGM Kamrup Metro,
I'm deeply obliged. my lord.
25,000. Considering the nature of the this court has also considered that the petitioner is a disabled person and having certain disabilities. Yes, what is this item number? CD.
One, my lord, 25/6, my lord. Obligation.
Yes, what is this?
May it please your lordship. Lordship, there is a divorce decree, lordship. After divorce decree, lordship, mutual divorce decree,
Where is the statement that you have handed over the flat?
lordship, major amount has been paid, lordship. Out of 18 lakhs, lordship, 16 lakhs have been deposited.
Flat is in whose possession?
Builder. That has not been handed over to the respondent number 2.
So continue to pay the maintenance. We are issuing a notice. Otherwise, you have a good case, but your conduct is not giving you benefit today. She has agreed mutual dispute. You have got the mutual divorce, no problem on that. And that mutual divorce was on certain conditions.
Yes.
That conditions you are not fulfilling. Hard.
So except only that flat, lordship. Other conditions have been
No, where
fulfilled.
you pay her rent then?
But she's staying at my house, matrimonial house. That is reflected in the cost. of the
So
lordship.
since matrimonial house, you are divorced, still staying matrimonial house. Pay for that sometime. This is an application under section 482. Read with section 397 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973, seeking quashment of FC criminal case number 426-2021, and an order dated, where is that order? An order dated 6/10/2021, passed by the learned Principal Judge Family Court, Kamrup Metro at Guwahati, awarding maintenance under section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Full stop. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Give a date. 27th of June. Steps both ways.
In the meantime, lordship, may I
No.
pray for
Otherwise, I was inclined to pass an absolute stay.
item is
In-
fixed on day after tomorrow, lordship. For
Day after tomorrow. Okay. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned and be fixed on day after tomorrow. You have the instruction.
lordship, the instruction is that
So therefore, I will be
16
issuing a
lakhs.
notice. Let her come. We'll hear her. In the meantime, let us see.
lordship.
Agora notice returnable benches. Also issue notice on interim prayer returnable on the same day. And same shall be considered after appearance of the learned after appearance of respondent number 2. Yes.
Much of it.
Wait, please, your lordship. Four 39 of CRPC and the accused was arrested on 15/5/2021.
Let's just recall it. Let us recall it. What is what?
Yes, lordship, I have taken the certified copy.
Who are you? Samir Khan.
Yes, lord.
Where is the FIR? Huh?
FIR is page number 11. Page 8, your lordship.
Is
8. Annex 1.
okay, we'll take it up. Just after some time, we'll take this item number.
42.
We'll take this item a little bit later. Let the other matters be over. Scan copies টাকা লেগেছে। Yes, Kezer is there.
Yes.
None appears for the petitioner on call. What is the material? Any interim order?
Yes, interim was there, Lordship, but one point is, Lordship, he was granted interim on 30/11/23. But Lordship, on perusal of the case diary, I have seen that he appeared before the IO prior to date, Lordship. So probably in the month of November itself, Lordship. He was released after serving 41 a notice and he was directed to appear once again. Thereafter, Lordship, he preferred this application. He was granted interim and directed to appear, but he did not appear, Lordship. Till date, Lordship, he has not appeared.
Who is the petitioner? Who is the counsel? Okay, after some time, let us see. After some time.
Lordship, charge sheet has been submitted.
Any interim?
Yes,
Yes. Search sheet being
charge sheet number 58/2024 dated 26/3/24.
যেহেতুকে it's BA, so till appearance এর লাগা order again. AB till appearance.
Develop.
Yes, Mr. Munim,
CD not received, Lordship.
CD not received. Interim to continue when?
Updated.
Lordship, 13 June.
13 June. Interim to
March.
continue. Yes, some FED feature file, what is this?
My lord.
She went to section.
What additional FED is required?
My lord.
She is for the informant or what?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let us wait for some time. Do you need his custodial interrogation? Let her come.
Because of that only.
That's any interim?
No, Lordship. Here, Lordship, as mentioned, Lordship.
CD is there?
CD is there, Lordship. Two CDs were called, Lordship. One has been received. But
Oh,
Lordship,
that case, the
yes,
gentleman,
yes,
that he has urgency. Okay,
but it appears, Lordship.
this court under its order dated called for the case diary of two police station cases, namely
Nalbari PS case.
Nalbari PS case number 286 of 2023 and Paneri PS case number 68 of 2023. Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional upor likhi diba, none appears for the petitioner. Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor, submits that though the case diary of Nalbari PS case number 286/2023 has been received, however, the case diary of Paneri PS case number 68 of 2020 is not yet received. Accordingly, he prays for an adjournment for production of the case diary of Paneri PS case number 68 of 2023. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on
Lordship, 10th of June.
10th of June 2020.
Lordship, he could have appeared, Lordship, because he also lodged the FIR. It is prior to this one, Lordship, in which he is implicated.
That's right. Yes.
Supplementary list.
Give enough. Yes.
Lordship has already had this matter on two occasions.
Yes.
Beef
Cow.
selling one.
Huh?
Cow has gone in pawn, my lord.
Hard. Mr. M. Ahmed,
Ahmed.
learned counsel for the petition application under so and so. Case diary is responsible. Full stop. For the case diary, it is seen that petitioner was involved in the commission of an offense under section 8 of the Assam Cattle so and so Act 2021. Full stop. 2021. Full stop. The petitioner, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner shall not indulge in similar shall not indulge in commission of similar nature of offense, and he will cooperate with the investigating officer and shall not hamper and tamper with any evidences. Full stop. Considering the nature of allegation and the stage of investigation, this court is of the opinion that custodial interrogation of the petitioner may not be necessary in this case. Accordingly, the present application is allowed with the following condition. The additional condition, he shall not indulge in any kind of similar offense, i.e., selling and slaughtering of beef
Without any.
without any beef in terms of, in violation of section 8 of the Swenso Act. Full stop. Appear to depot within 10 days.
I'm highly obliged. Lordship, I'm sorry, I was in 422 Lordship when the matter was called, 23 Lordship.
We have fixed a date. Yes. 10/6.
Already fixed. Paneri.
Yes.
Paneri.
Obliged.
Or did non appear suicide, no? Yes, what is the item now? How many method bail hearings are there? CRPC one, huh?
May it please your lordship.
Just let us complete the bail method. Just a minute. Wait a minute.
Your Lordship, he was granted interim on 30/11/23.
Which item number?
15.
15 now. Do you require his?
That is what Lordship.
Okay, that method.
Yes.
Okay, none appears for the petitioner on call. What to do?
Lordship, he has
Not expecting to reach at 11:45 or what? Okay, we'll call all these methods at 2 once again. Otherwise, yes, then this is the case, admission. Okay.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
On last date, your lordship wanted to know the object, authority, role of advisory board and my lord laboratory, etc. In item number, my lord 12, your lordship may kindly taken up first. And lordship also wanted to know whether we will be covered by this
No.
act or not. That my lord, section
That
license, yes, my lord.
just let us
Read the my lord.
let us go pinpoint the issue.
Yes.
The first issue is what should be the field of operation of Food Safety Act and Standards Act 2006 and the CRPC. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, second issue is we always say that this is sent to forensic. This is done to Swenso.
Yes.
Under what provision?
Yes. That
Okay.
also I got, ma'am.
Okay. This is under subject to what you say 293
Yes.
CRPC. Now, CRPC 293 says that evidence of this person will be a valid evidence. Now, that includes forensic science laboratory or director forensic science laboratory or a state forensic science laboratory. Then serologist. So there is no doubt that forensic science, director forensic science is having a power to give a report,
Different, yeah.
and police can seek because forensic is an expert opinion.
Yes.
They can seek an examination from this expert.
Experts.
Now, second question will be to what extent?
Yes. ma'am.
My question would be, suppose you have sent it to forensic. Say we under any notification.
Yes, ma'am, regarding about the forensic department, how the samples were collected by the
No,
department.
that is fine. There is
Yes,
no
ma'am.
doubt in. What my question is, suppose you have seized a gold bar.
Yes. ma'am.
Now, who will determine that is gold or not? You need a sign expert opinion.
Expert opinion.
Who will?
My lord, regarding here, I would like
No,
to,
just don't go to the case, huh? These
yes.
are the general questions.
regarding, my lord, regarding forensic department, your lordship very well know, it is under the administrative control of the, my lord, home and political department. And all, not only, my lord, police, all investigating agencies were dependent upon, my lord, the forensic science
Because this is an
department.
expert body.
Expert opinion.
And
And
this
regarding, my lord,
you can
types
seek
of
their
cases-
assistance in terms of section 293 of the
Yes, your
CRPC.
lordship may kindly, I have, sir, your lordship kindly come to page 7, my lord. Types of cases received in forensic science laboratory, my lord. There are total 11 division of the, my lord,
11
forensic
division.
science laboratory. As I got all this from, my lord,
Page 7.
page 7, my lord, I have
Please
page marks, my lord,
consulted with your
of
okay.
this. I got it from, my lord, net, my lord. There are total 11 divisions, my
It
lord.
is only, yes. 11 divisions.
Then
Just
your
a
lordship may kindly come to, my lord, page number 8, biology division, my lord. Here, my lord, ballistic division, explosive division, physics division, my lord. And, my lord, drugs and narcotics division, my lord, serology division, chemistry division, biology division, toxicology, and instrumentation, my lord. And how those samples were collected by all these branches, my lord. And what type of, my lord, samples were collected by this department, everything is, my lord, specifically mentioned.
No, that we understand. My question is something different.
Food laboratory is not included in the.
Laboratory, that is FSI, totally, my lord, different aspects.
No, no,
my lord.
that is a different.
That is
that
totally
different.
quality of the, my lord.
Also misbranding is there. And
Regarding this 482 application, initially, I would like to point out one thing, my lord. My lord, whether this is a case, my lord, I will answer to the queries of your lordship, my lord. Initially, my lord, in this petition, it is submitted by my senior counsel, my lord, that, my lord, this is a, my lord, buffalo meat, and in the name of buffalo meat, this is not a cow.
No, we understand. Your case is that whether it's buffalo or beef, whether your power to examine in that manner or not cannot be a subject matter of 482.
Yes,
Because this will need a factual assertion.
yes, that, my lord,
I
scientific
will have to say that we do not believe in this report.
Yes.
Then only question may come that whether on that ground alone we can quash the entire proceeding, because it's in a 482 petition. Nothing, isn't it? So far relating to Jimma of the seized material, that is fine,
Oh, yes.
because that has already gone, that has been disposed of.
Yes.
Compensation, that will come. Here is certain question in the mind of this court. So you say these are the subjects and all. These are from the website. See, declaration is website will not confer you. Listen to me.
Yes.
Go to the fundamental. This will not give you a. We cannot determine on the basis of this that forensic is having this much. This is the power. And every action must be supported by an authority of law.
Authority of law, yes, ma'am.
What is that authority? I want to know. You are
Regarding-
also showing this papers. He is also showing these
my lord.
papers.
Here, my lord,
293 says they are experts. You can have an expert
I'll reply to
opinion
all
or
queries,
evidence
madam.
you can take.
Yes, ma'am.
That is fine.
My contention is
Now,
that,
will
my
you
lord,
say, yes,
my contention is that, my lord.
yes, Mr. Bora.
Here, my lord, the FSSI Act will be applicable. If somebody dies out of consuming some food, then also FSSI will start. The IPC 302 will not come. And my lord, the Gatul will also not come.
Just listen to this
It is
case.
provide that.
Sit
separate-
and listen to this.
Yes.
We may ask you some question.
So if somebody dies consuming some food, and my lord, that person will be tried under this act. I read the provision. my lord.
No, no, that we understand.
my
Your
lord,
FSSA
can
Act concept is clear.
Yes.
Because there should not be, fundamentally that it should not be adulterated. Or it should not be a food which is declared to be X and you are doing something.
No.
But that relates to us operating in a different field. That is
Because
not
I'm not-
operating in case of a investigation. This is our prima facie view.
You, my lord, we are required to, my lord, the food processing, my lord, anybody deals with food selling, my lord. May I read, my lord? That will be covered by this act only,
you read
and
it.
they are
You
required
read
to
it.
take
You read it.
license.
You read it.
They are required to take license, under section 31, my lord.
Mr. Bora, come
31.
forward, just answer this question.
License should
An
be required.
investigation
My lord.
is done.
Right.
Forget about the facts of this case. This may be very fundamental question, but we are not aware of some fundamental issues also. Yeah, that are very low person. Ask them to give inverters or something like that.
Generator nine unit.
Here is a case, Mr. Bora.
My lord.
A person the investigating authority registered an affair saying that we apprehend this beefs are being transported. So under section 8, under the new act, transportation, and there is some restriction. We'll not say that there is a ban, but there are certain restrictions. So they seize it. Now they say that it is declared to be buffalo meat. Now they take sample and send it to forensic science laboratory. Okay. Forensic science laboratory says that this is beef because there is cow antigen, serology department and all. The other side, accused says that you don't have a jurisdiction to do this for the reason that this is a food, declared to be food, manufactured food, everything is there. We are legally transporting it, and therefore, whether this is actually declared to be actually buffalo or not, it is to be determined by the forensic science, not forensics, FSSI laboratory, food adulteration. Okay, that is another aspect. Now, from where the forensic science laboratory gets authority to do this test, it's a kind of evidence. So under section 293, I suppose, of the CRPC.
Yes, ma'am.
Or any other provision.
Basically, as per, probably it was originally registered as FIR.
FIR.
Not as a complaint.
Not as a complaint.
So the FSI, that is basically deals with basically by the food inspector, they have to initiate that. So that proceeding is totally different.
Two parallel proceedings.
Two parallel proceeding there for that purpose, food adulteration. This is not the adulteration, probably my understanding.
So,
Apart
okay.
from,
But one question that is this is, suppose that forensic is expert in determining whether it's a beef or a buffalo, or that forensic can determine this is a meatball or a stone. Where is it defined? Then what is the limit of power of a forensic science?
but
Anybody
that-
can.
Yes, but that forensic, we have to take the benefit, the assistance of because we don't have that expertise.
Understand.
So that that is a matter of absolutely trial.
Trial.
So
They may
the-
question it that you did not have the authority to do. That
And
is a
the way of doing the sampling or whatever it is not the whatever the challenging it has to be done during the trial.
No, that we understand, but
So-
it is coming to be mind that every action is to be done authorized under authority of law. Now, where is that authority of law of the forensic to do a test? This test. Forget about this case.
But
What is the parameter?
parameter in everywhere, matter the where there is a requirement,
Mm.
not only this, matter in case of the counterfeit note also.
Okay.
In the idea is a IPC provision of the testing of the counterfeit notes. Who will testify? There's a provision.
Forensic.
Forensic. Similarly, there are other provisions. Suppose there is the poison. In case of a poisoning, death by poisoning, who will decide? The police cannot decide of his own.
No, cannot be. You need an expert opinion.
Expert. So it will go to the doctor. Definitely the postmortem report, then the viscera test. Definitely it will come through a doctor and expertise. So they will say that is so expertise is always required in cases. So there is a provision.
There is no problem on this. Is for my knowledge. That's why I have called.
So
it is disturbing my mind, no, because of maybe for lack of my knowledge. What I could understand is that investigating authority will have to gather evidence.
Yes.
Now, while gathering their evidence, they may require expert. There are certain experts in different fields.
Yes.
So they will send it to the expert. And that expert can be examined, brought in under 293 of the CRPC. Now, whether that expert is having a jurisdiction or not, whether it was rightly done or not rightly done, is a subject matter of trial, because that officer will be put into the cross-examination,
Yes.
saying that no, you did not have this power. In fact, this ought to have been done by the forensic. He will say, no, I have right. Now, ultimately, this defense will be taken in the time of argument. No quarrel on that. The source of power, that forensic is having this much of power, and they can do this. Forensic cannot be that any test, everything, anything on empowering power to forensic science laboratory.
Because the requirement in the, apart from, there are several tests which has been, the Supreme Court also has, suppose now the voice sampling. Then the fingerprints, then the handwriting, everything. This has to be testified by the expert.
Now that expert is always forensic,
Even the fingerprints, everything included.
that we have got it. All these are downloaded from any authority, that this is the jurisdiction and parameter of forensic science laboratory. This is under home. You are authorized to do this test. Anything,
Downloaded.
any notification,
downloaded.
anything.
Yeah. Everything details is there, my lord. What is their periphery of jurisdiction?
No,
Not the food. Food under FSSI, my lord.
the forensic science laboratory is established. Okay, suppose FSSI is established under an act. Okay, FSSI, it says what is their parameters, what should be the laboratory, what is their jurisdiction to test. Where is that from forensic? That is for only for my knowledge. Take it, forget about this case.
But I would just like to point, I may be wrong, my lord, but from the history of this forensic department, what I have found, although I got it from my lord website, but this is the authentic website of the Home and Political Department.
Understand? We are not doubting
Now,
this.
yes, my lord.
I declare this
Yes,
is my power.
Regarding the jurisdiction of the my lord.
But where is the source of power?
Yes, my lord. Regarding the jurisdiction of the my lord forensic department was earlier established in the year 1967. At that point of time, forensic department was directorate of the forensic are under direct control of the DGP. Later on in the year 2005, it comes under the control of the Home and Political Department, my lord, government of Assam.
We have no doubt on that. We
Yes.
are not questioning.
So, my lord, not only police, my lord, every
Oh,
investigation.
no problem on this. Anybody can, any investigating authorities can treat you to be an expert,
Yes.
saying that you test this.
So, my lord,
We
why-
know, we have no problem. You can even ask that you test the tree, whether it is a suppose a betel nut. Betel nut, to whom will you send it? That Erica nut is from foreign origin or Indian origin?
Any food, my lord.
Mr.
Yes.
Madam, to whom?
regarding.
No, just tell us. To whom?
Regarding.
To whom? Tell us. Everywhere you are saying that we have sent it to some laboratories. Why not forensic? That is my question.
Because, my lord, what type of, my lord, samples to be sent
That's
to
why I
forensic
sent to
department,
where,
everything
because
has to
there
be-
must be some expertise.
Yes.
Saying that forensic science laboratory can test this, their jurisdiction is this.
Yes, there are-
Where do we get that? For my knowledge.
Regarding their jurisdiction is
But
already
as
there.
per this, it's downloaded copy also,
Uh.
there is a jurisdiction has been given also.
Where is that?
The biology division, the last one.
No, that we understand.
So these are the-
I think I have not been able to express myself.
Yes. So
These
they-
are the declared, but there must be an authority. Maybe this authority, they are saying Home Department is doing. So there are certain notifications saying that these are the tests to be conducted by forensic. So that is an authority under law, maybe under 161 or any provision, executive, or maybe some statutory provision that forensic science is established for this purpose of doing so and so, so and so, so and so.
Or CRP should just- 2963, 91.
We are not saying you don't have power, but we are
So basically, it's an opinion.
opinion
It's an opinion. It has to be tested in the trial.
in a trial.
So opinion
And
as
because
per the-
police investigating office authority is not expert. They
Yes.
need fingerprints
So
experts,
the-
they need serology, many
Yes.
things.
So this is the, as per the Evidence Act also,
Mm.
the section 45 of the
Ah.
Evidence Act also,
Mm.
there is a provision
Yes.
for opinion of the expert. So that's a collection.
No, that they are
When the-
experts, that they are experts.
Yes.
Where do we get that? That they are experts in this subject.
So then the lordship, then if suppose a dead body is tested,
Oh.
the after the,
Mm.
so it was forwarded to the post-mortem. Now, can we question that the post-mortem is, they are not expert to do the post-mortem?
No, not there, because it is in the forensic department, it been made an part of expert by a notification. That's why I'm asking him, because I had a talk with some person who says that yes, we have notifications giving that these are the things where we will seek expert opinion in this subject from this. Therefore, Ereka notes they are sending to somebody else, not to the forensic.
If there may be some
That
notification.
is what I am asking.
It has to be notified that
some-
these kind of, the as per these downloaded.
Because if you go to the establishment of a forensic science department, that itself declares what is their expertise. But in case of an investigation, that is a overall authority of a subject of a forensic science department. Now designating them science laboratory to be an expert, they are having some notifications home department. That is where I'm asking. Because they are not sending everything to the forensic necessarily, because therefore they know that this authority can do this only, and that has been authorized under something.
Yes, so definitely the dead body is definitely will go to the
Postmortem, then serology will go.
Viscera is definitely not
Go to the not go
forensic-
to the
forensic
forensic.
to the.
It will
side.
go to this.
So-
Now, since he has raised a question that this is a food,
Yes,
and anyway, that is a different part. But since he has raised, we'll have to answer that no, this is the authority of the forensic.
as per this downloaded, food is a part of that. There is no doubt about it. The last, food is also.
So that anything on that,
Now they will testify. That is the only
that is
question.
the only issue.
So as per the.
No,
the
that
for-
can be an issue subsequently, because if some unauthorized person has done an
That will go.
examination, they will get the benefit of
Yes,
that.
yes.
That will fall, that you don't have any authority to do it.
Because there is a central food laboratory also,
Also.
apart from the Assam food.
Ah.
There is a central food laboratory. In some cases, we have given the option in earlier act.
Mm.
that whether you testify before the Assam or you want to go to a
the
central.
central. That was a full
adulteration.
adulteration.
So that means there is a notification and the power has given in the act itself. That you can, if necessary, you can testify your whatever the item, you can challenge and you can send it to the.
Suppose they have seized and they say that this is a sandalwood. They seize it. They will not send it to the forensic. They will send it to the laboratory formulated constituted under forest department. Why? Why not then to the forensic? That is my question.
So that
Where is the
probably
authority?
there is some, maybe there's some
Something must be
notification
there, must be there.
segregating the
Boundary.
Boundary for
That
each
these are
and
the
every-
subject matter of forensic, these are the subject matter of food laboratory, these are the subject matter of for laboratory of the forest.
Not really this one. Download
Oh,
the-
wait.
Forensic laboratory main deals with the crimes. Crimes. Even the website also, if it is related to crimes, that my lord, this cartridges, firearm, empty fire cartridge, all this, my lord, all this testing is done regarding relating to crimes only. Forensic laboratory is set up for that nature.
So therefore, according to you, you have committed a crime under section 8.
No, my lord. This act will cover, I'll reply your queries, my lord. The queries is going on, but my lord, if your lordship, give me 10 minutes, what laboratory, what punishment, misbranding, whether it's a buffalo or it is a, my lord, beef or anything, that
We'll
is
come to that.
everything.
We'll come
Yes.
to that. Your case is a
Everything, yeah,
your case
I'll
is a
reply everything.
misbranding case, therefore it will come under forensic forensic.
Punishment.
And your thing is that therefore it cannot be brought under this section 8. That's your
Because everything will be punishment, everything under this act.
ইয়াতে যে এইটো দিয়া হ'ল এইটো ডিভিজন কৰিলে সিহঁতে এইখিনি ফৰেনচিক সায়েন্সে ৰিচাৰ্চ কৰিব
What types of samples
No.
can be sent?
কিন্তু এতিয়া সেই সিহঁতক আমি যে পঠিয়াম
And the food safety standard rules, 2011. If you let's kindly go through, my lord. Even the betel nut is also included here.
That is, Mr. Bora, I was unable, he has.
Also, I also-
What was my query?
I also tried to find out notification, my lord, but that notification part was nil.
Okay, I'll get one for you. Let me try. Mr. Bora can give us one.
I'll try, my lord, definitely.
That's the query. I
Yes,
want
yes.
to know it. May not be very relevant for this case also.
Yes, my lord.
May not be very relevant, but this was while going through everything that has come to my mind. Maybe because of lack of knowledge.
This is, my lord, the ocean, my lord, everybody has some limitations, my lord. Nobody can be, my lord,
That's true.
except the one and only man, my lord. He knows everything, my lord. Now, the
Okay.
person who's ruling now.
Okay. Next. Yes, madam.
Your lordship,
Mr.
please.
Borthaku, just keep it in your mind. Now let us hear your case.
My lord, the how will be
We'll
covered
hear
by
you,
the
Mr. Borthaku. Take your seat. Let us give her a patient hearing. But
Section
madam,
31.
be ready to have some firing.
Definitely, my lord. I am prepared to
And
that.
and
I'm
firing
prepared to that.
firing
And,
gives us good result. So we want a counter fire also.
Definitely, my lord.
Always welcome.
First,
Yes.
whether I will be covered, because that day we have gone through the pimple and everything, my lord, the all
Now
other,
how
all other
you
acts.
misbranding. Okay, you just proceed how you proceed.
Licensing, how we come in this,
Space,
under this
space,
act.
say
Page
provision,
31, my lord.
provision,
Section 31, page also 31.
section 31, page.
31,
Mr. Bora,
last line.
where is he? This will take some time.
31 last line, my lord. Licensing and registration of food business.
Just a minute, section 31.
31.
Just a minute.
Person shall commence or carry on any food business except under a license.
Hmm.
Notwithstanding contained substance shall apply to effective manufacturer who
Let me
himself
down.
manufacture sells any article of food. And
Just a
it's
minute. Section 31 licensing. Yes.
So
Okay.
any person dealing with my lord food, either transportation, storage, manufacturer, everybody has to take license under this act. Otherwise, they cannot do any business.
Okay. Then.
And my lord, regarding the laboratory, I will answer, my lord.
So this is a
Regarding-
license. According to you, there should be a license and you are a licensee
Under this
under
act,
the act.
issued by the state of Assam.
State of Assam. Okay.
Thereafter, my lord, your lordship was queries were regarding, my lord, where to examine.
No, that query will come. You necessarily argue as per your convenience. Okay.
I want to apprise, my lord,
Yes.
that section 37, the food safety officer.
Section 37.
Page 37.
Hmm.
The commissioner of food safety shall by
Just a minute.
notification.
Section 37.
Kindly go to the. They are specially qualified, my lord.
Okay. Then
Then, my lord,
power.
30 also, my lord, yes, power of food safety officer. Then section 42 deals about, my lord, the food safety officer shall be responsible for inspection of
Section,
food
section?
business. Section 42, page 41.
Just a minute.
41, page 41.
Just a minute. Emotion. Okay. Just a minute. Now, section,
Section 42, 120, your lordship will read.
section 42.
To subsection 120, your lordship will kindly go through. What to do? Drawing simple.
Just a minute, let us go slow. 42. Yes. Yes.
41 also speaks about powers of search, seizure, investigation, prosecution, and procedure thereof. Section 41, page 40. Food
Yes.
safety officer has the power, my lord, by this act.
What are the contraventions? What do's and do nots?
I'll come later.
Okay. Yes.
Let us first submit.
Yes. Now,
Now, my lord, section 43,
Mm.
page 41 itself, recognition and accreditation of laboratories, research institutions, and referral food laboratory. The scientist, group of scientists are here, my lord, for food analyst. Food authority may notify food laboratories and research institution created by National Accreditation Board for testing and calibration laboratories or any other accreditation agency purpose of carrying out this analysis of samples by the food analyst under this act.
yeah.
So only the recognized laboratories
Mm.
under the, here it is there, my lord. I have given a copy. Welcome to State Public Health Laboratory Assam. The Public Health Department is the authority. Was established pre-independence period.
Yes.
Kindly see this one.
Which one? Which one? Okay.
The authority, they are having
Mm.
this laboratory in Bamuni Maidan, they are the testing authority. Normal circumstances also, sometimes when food is collected and my lord, it is tested in that group of scientists are there. The food analysts are also specially engaged, my lord, specially appointed. These are scientists, my lord. Section 45, food analyst. Commissioner of Food Safety may by notification appoint such person as he thinks fit, having the qualification prescribed by the central government to be food analyst for such local areas as may be assigned to them by the Commissioner of Food. So there will be special qualification for testing food.
Mm.
Having required qualification.
Yes.
Sampling and analysis, section 47, when a food safety officer takes a sample of food for analysis, he shall give notice in writing of his intention to have it so analyzed to the person from whom he has taken the sample and to the person, if any, whose name, address, and other particulars have been disclosed. Section 47, my lord. What is the procedure of taking? Except in special cases as may provided by rules made under this act, divide the sample into 4 parts and mark and seal of fashion of each part in such a manner as its nature permits, and take the signature or thumb impression of the person from whom the sample has been taken in such place and in such manner as may be prescribed by the central government. So signature is required to be from whom the sample is taken. There are certain procedure, my lord. Provided where such person refuses to sign or put his thumb impression, food safety shall call upon one or more witnesses and take his signature or thumb impression in lieu of the signature or thumb impression. Some witness also to be there, my lord. If anything is, my lord, going for analysis. And intimation officer, 2 parts, his custody and sent. So all these criteria has been
Yes.
included in this, my lord. So on offences and penalties, it deals with section 48, my lord. General provision relating to offences. A person may render any article of food injurious to health by means of one or more of the following operation, namely, adding any article or substance to the food, using any article or substance as an ingredient in the participation of the food, abstracting any constituent from the food, or subjecting the food to any other process or treatment with the knowledge that it may sold or offered for sale or distributed for human consumption. Determining whether any offense is unsafe for injurious to health, regard shall he have to the normal condition to its. So, my lord, the punishment, offences and penalties is there. So, lordship, come to section 52,
52.
page 47, 52.
52. Now,
Penalty
is
for misbranding.
misbranding is defined somewhere?
Yes, my lord. 47, my lord.
No,
Page 47.
misbranding.
Misbranding.
Definition.
Penalty for misbranded
No,
food.
that is 52.
52.
Now,
Misbranding for
anywhere
punishment.
misbranding is defined,
Yes, my lord. Rules.
rules.
Rules says so, not act. Rules is, my lord, that's. Food
Just a
safety and
minute.
standard rules
Just a minute,
2011.
just a minute. JDEF. Section 3 ZF. Now, give me the question, give me the answer.
Misbranded
If-
food means
if-
an article of food.
If just
Yes.
let us understand. If two, Mr. Bhattakur,
Yes.
if two offenses overlaps under food safety and under 21, what should be the procedure to be followed?
Here in this,
See, it is declared to be a processed food.
yes,
Let us not waste time. These
Yes.
are very,
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
it will not take so much of time.
Of time, yes, ma'am.
See, here your case is that beef is banned and you have bought beef in the name of buffalo
Okay.
meat. Okay? Admittedly, there is no quarrel on this point that this is our packaged food declared as buffalo. There is no dispute. Nothing. Your FIR, your SEJAR, everything, FIR itself says that they are bringing this buffalo meat from a factory. These are the labels and all. We have all seen this level, but they are actually this is not
Buffalo meat,
buffalo meat. So first allegation is of a misbranding.
misbranding.
So moment it is misbranding, you can straight away go under the act and seize it. Or you need a confirmation from a laboratory under under Food Safety Standards Act, because fundamental allegation is misbranding. If it is established that it is misbranding, then it will come, it is an offense under Section 8. Do you get my point?
Yes, ma'am.
So you say that you have misbranded. Moment it is misbranded, you intimate, subject to what you argue, you intimate the food authorities that this is misbranding, says it and give us a report. We suspect it to be buffalo, beef. Now they will do it. Moment they say that this is, yes, this is a misbranding. process will start against them under the act, because in that act offenses are kind of a cost and like that. They suppose they have spent earned benefit of this much. This is lost to the consumer so much. These are the financial. Now, moment they say that this is a buffalo beef, not buffalo, the offense is committed. Then you proceed against them.
Yes, my lord.
Now, what have you done here is that you decide yourself to be a misbranding and send a sample to, because till your forensic report has come, even if you assuming forensic is having power and all, till forensic report has come, this was a case of misbranding. Allegation is of misbranding. Now answer that.
My lord, question first point is, your lordship, my first case is, my lord, this is not a case of misbranding. Although, my lord, my learned.
No, your allegation. Let us go to the
Yes,
FIR.
your lordship may kindly come to first, my lord.
Go to the FIR.
Yes.
JDEF A Roman 2. This is your allegation.
Forwarding report है FIR में. Forwarding report है FIR में. Yes, my lord. I have the honor to inform you that on 29/11/23 at 5 p.m. received information by IC Simulatu OP outpost from a secret source that vehicle bearing registration number so and so carrying beef in the name of buffalo meat from
Okay.
West
Just
Bengal.
stop
side
there.
of
This
Guwahati.
is your fundamental. Now come to JDEF of the act.
Okay.
JDEF of the this FSS act. Misbrand
Yes,
foods
yes.
mean an article of food. Forget about others. A, if it is purported or is presented to be or is being, come to Roman 2,
Yes, sir.
sold by a name which belongs to another article or food. So your whole allegation is a misbranding. You would nowhere doubt that this is a raw meat brought in a truck. You say that it is packaged food. This is having this GST number. This is having this manufacturing. Everything is there, but inside they declare it to be buffalo meat, but inside beef. So it's a case of misbranding.
Your lordship may kindly then come to one of the, my lord, document I would like to point.
No, let us understand. We'll come
Yes,
to
yes,
that. We'll
my
come
lord,
to that.
because, my lord.
We are not in hurry, Mr. Bhattakur,
Yes.
and we are not taken any view. This court, you just mind it.
Yes.
We are open to ideas.
Yes,
So,
my lord, yes, that part of the FIR, yes, your lordship has rightly pointed out that initially first that, my lord, in the
so
name of.
if you have an information of misbranding,
Yes.
what is the cognizable offense
That
under any act?
My lord, that information regarding from the FIR, it reflects that yes, in the name of my lord, beef meat, you
No,
are transporting buffalo meat.
if you further proceed, that is your case.
Yes.
Therefore, you also could not determine. Okay, you
Yes.
both being in a veterinary officer, I think this will be a beef. This is his idea. So you thought that, okay, let us test it in the forensic. You send it to forensic. Forensic says this is beef. Okay. Now, when it is a processed manufactured food, declared to be processed manufactured food, and you suspect that this is a misbranding, will you assume jurisdiction to proceed with the investigation? This is the first question you have to answer. And even if you assume that this is a misbranding, what should be your, because you cannot be lawless, you will have to send it to the competent authorities to see this is the thing. Now, competent authority, according to this court, subject to what you say, a competent authority will test it in terms of the FSS Act because it's a food, declared to be a food. Test it. Then, if they found that this is actually a misbranding, they will have a liberty to proceed under the special law. At the same time, on the basis of that report, offense is committed under section 8 of the 2021 Act. So you can proceed thereon. You need the sample only. You need you can take help of that expert.
Yes.
There is no problem taking help of that expert.
Yes.
It is not necessary it should go to the forensic. So on that basis, you can start investigation. Before that, what you do is 2,000 and something odd kgs of meat you have destroyed. Now you cannot even have, they cannot even proceed against them because of destroying of the evidence. They can be, it's not that they cannot be prosecuted in the Special Act and General Act. That may be another aspect. Now, how do you answer this?
Yes, my lord. Your
Suppose now
lordship has-
coming to 482,
yes.
if we see that initially there was an offense under so and so, and you have damaged everything, why should we allow you to proceed with the investigation?
I will answer to that question. Your lordship has rightly pointed out, my lord, regarding my lord, that initial, my lord.
Because we
that
want
sentence.
a rule of law.
Yes, yes, my lord.
That's all.
Yes.
We are not giving any offenders scot-free, but we want the rule of law to be followed.
Then your lordship may kindly allow me some time. I will have to go in detail.
Okay, we'll
because-
allow it. Hard in
because
part.
Otherwise,
Hard in part. Mr. Borthakur, learned additional public prosecutor. Oh, sorry. Give the dictaphone. Can give it later. Huh? These are the questions you'll have to
Yes,
address.
yes,
Because
I
you can initiate an investigation moment a cognizable offense is made out.
yes,
When you seized it, you are not aware whether a cognizable offense under section 8 is committed or not. At that point of time, at best, it was an offense under Food Safety Act. And that could have helped you. And in the meantime, 2,000 and odd kgs of meat are damaged, which has declared to be food. You may not eat, I may not eat, somebody eats it, even if it is beef or buffalo.
otherwise, my lord, admittedly beef, my lord. And
No,
from
not
the-
admittedly.
Because my lord, there are one letter is also there. I would like to point out that, my lord. One letter, my lord, that is submitted to the petitioner itself.
Hard MS and Sekia, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Hard also Mr. Borthakur, learned counsel for the learned counsel representing the state, additional public prosecutor representing some at some length. Full stop. During the course of argument, a question has arisen whether at that stage, Mr. Borthakur submits that he may be granted some more time to address this court on these issues. Prayer for adjournment stands allowed. List this matter on
On my lord, 18th of June.
18th of June.
Baapre.
18th of June, 2020.
18th of June is too long, my lord. Your lordship also may.
Because my lord, I will have to go in detail because
Let
many
him
other
go through it,
cases.
because these, madam, these are having a very, it's overlapping. Then I will ask you a question. Okay, forget about what is happened. Now forensic says that it is a beef. So offense is made out. We cannot reverse the
Forensic have no authority. Under the
no,
Food Act, they have
forensic.
no
Forensic
authority.
is
They
having
are
no authority under the
crimes,
under the
only
Food Act.
crimes.
Food Act, but forensic is in having an authority under section 8.
This act is
So these
overriding effect.
questions will come.
This act is overriding effect. All penalties, including, my lord, that punishment.
Well,
for-
regarding first, my lord.
See,
Hello, Wagan, get it too.
you can argue many things.
But my lord,
We'll
Jima
have to
petition also
understand.
lying.
He can
Jima
argue many
petition is
things.
also lying, my lord. The vehicle-
Ultimate judgment is to
7
be
months.
passed by this court.
But only your lordship will kindly bear, my lord. After 7 months of the vehicle and mobile, what condition they will have, my lord?
Vehicle we
another
can
big
vehicle we can allow right now.
Yes, my lord.
Vehicle we
and
can-
mobile.
Vehicle and mobile will allow.
Yes, my lord.
What will you do?
Otherwise, yes.
Regarding vehicle, my lord,
Vehicle
your
and-
lordship already
will
allowed.
have?
Court
How
has
many lakhs
already
will be
passed order.
required?
Only
Vehicle
bank
and
guarantee.
mobile.
Only bank guarantee, but
Bank
regarding
guarantee will deal.
but
We
regarding
already said bank guarantee.
mobile, my lord, regarding due to some of the reasons, my lord, mobile not yet allowed because police till now, my lord, he has not provided the
Your
password.
lordship kindly allowed us revision petition, my lord, and my lord, vehicle, my lord, your
Vehicle, my
lordship
lord,
will,
your
my lord,
lordship may.
if a vehicle is lying in the police station for 7 months,
You
what
say
will be the
give
condition?
a report regarding mobile.
Mobile's report is
Mobile
there in
also?
the, my lord.
Huh?
CD, my lord, there are two, three regarding mobile.
Mobile.
Also, I will get one recent report also regarding mobile, my lord.
Well, it is not that he has committed murder or
Regarding vehicle,
self-cheat
your
or
lordship
something.
may consider. my lord.
It is a matter.
Madam Soikia,
Yes, my
I think this case should be done by somebody else, not by you.
lord. Yes, my lord, if your lordship thinks so.
Why I'm
Or
saying
are
is,
you-
don't be personal.
Personal, no, my lord.
You are a seasoned counsel. Don't be personal. I know what I have indicated to you.
Yes, ma'am. But Zimma petition, my lord, if your lordship can.
Mr. Bothakar, what do you say about the
Your lordship may.
vehicle will give, there is no issue. What is your
Regarding-
objection as regard?
regarding mobile, my
Huh.
lord, police has also, but till now he has not provided the password, so police. Try
Can't
to
you
find
break
out-
the password?
Expert
is
are
the-
there.
Huh?
That is the difficult because case diary is also.
Why
there.
why are you not giving the password? Give the password. That's all.
That's the matter. Yes, password can be given.
So immediately let him, my lord, provide the password after verification, police, thereafter police. can-
Whatever necessary,
Yes,
sending it to the
yes,
forensic, you
yes.
return him the.
Kosata, they have already transferred, my lord. The expert.
Okay, that petition will allow that which
Regarding
one is the
Vehicle regarding, my lord. Regarding criminal revision petition 160.
161, my lord.
16
Item number 11.
161, you keep it separate. We'll pass this order tomorrow, not today. And I'll go through this. If anything required, I'll call it.
Yeah.
Yes,
No lies.
that is nine, that is on 18th.
Lies, my lord.
এই অর্ডারটা যে আমি টেকনিশিয়ানটা দিয়ে আপডেট করে নিই, পাহরি যান সব ভালো করে সেকেন্ড এখনো রাখি তো yes what is this
Lordship, I have indicated Lordship that Lordship has granted him interim on 30/11.
this matter
He did not appear, Lordship.
was called thrice during the course of the day. Full stop. However, none appeared for the petitioner on call. This is an application under so and so, so and so, so and so, so and so. This court, under its order dated
30/11/23.
under its order dated 30/11/2023, while issuing notice of motion or while issuing while calling for the case diary by granted an interim anticipatory bail with a condition that applicants shall appear before the IO within 2 weeks from the date of recording of his within 2 weeks from 30/11/2023 for recording of his statement. Full stop. Case diary is received. Full stop. Mr. Case diary reflects that the petitioner has not appeared before the IO pursuant to this court's order dated 30/11/2023. Full stop. None appears for the petitioner also to represent him. In view of the aforesaid, the present petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution. The interim order passed earlier stands vacated.
I think 21 and 22.
Yes, what is this? Yet, what is your objection? Where is the affair?
Page
Where is my lord, as per my.
25,
First
madam.
thing is the
Vernacular 29, madam.
32.
29.
our objection is, my lord.
Who are you?
I am informant, my lord.
Informant.
Yes, sir.
Page 29. Huh?
Yes.
29 is something different. Page 31 is the affair. Officer in the Satgaon police station.
Page 29 is a vernacular format of demarcation.
Page 29 is something different. Uposthit Hodeshwar Sohi.
Optimal bail application.
This is a bail application or what? Copy of the bail petition.
There are two cases.
Which case?
Item 1108, my lord.
Okay, 1108. Pradeep Chandra Kalita.
Page
The
20,
page?
29.
Okay, just a minute.
Last paragraph is important.
I'm not getting anything.
Last paragraph,
Last
my
paragraph.
lord, in page 29.
মোৰ উক্ত ঘটনাৰ মুক্তি হৈ অহা এনেকুৱা কৰিব লগা হ'ল মোৰ ওপৰত জাপি দিয়া মিছা
লিখনিৰ
লিখনিৰ জৰিয়তে মোক জগৰীয়া কৰি থকা মই নিৰুপায় হৈ পৰিলো মোৰ পত্নী অন্তঃসত্ত্বা এই প্ৰক্ৰিয়া আগবঢ়াই নিলে পৰিচন মোক হাৰা মই তেওঁৰ কোনো শত্ৰু ভাৱ
What is that illegality?
My lord, regarding some.
My lord, that is the problem. But he is illegally occupied for sell the land in other person. Thereafter, they.
Who are you?
I am the informant, my lord.
No, informant, I understand. What is the problem?
Bulen Bormon, that is something, the real fact is that, my lord,
Hmm.
on 18/3/2024,
Now, why have you paid money to Bulen Bormon?
I tell this honorable court,
Yes.
18/3/2024, Bulen Bormon lodged one complaint before the forest ranger. That is the annexer, my lord.
That you are occupying forest land.
This is the report my forest said it is a not forest land.
Mister, let her, she's objecting a bail petition. We want to understand.
On 18.
She from yesterday, she's trying to bring her additional affidavit on record. She should have a patient
my-
hearing, yes.
I'm sorry.
On 18/3/2024, he
So
lost.
let us little bit go faster.
Before
He says that you are occupying forest land.
Not I am occupy the forest land, equus person protection Kolita.
Okay.
And he sell the government land in other person,
Name.
the neighbor.
Uh-huh.
And thereafter he's constructed house there, night. Labor.
He does all this. Now,
Protection
Pradeep Chandra.
Kolita.
Hmm.
Thereafter, he is a young boy, my lord, Bulen Bormon. He is not suffered illegal activity, and as such, he is complained before the rent.
So there is land, forest land has not been sold to you. You are a conscious citizen
Citizen, my
saying that he has selling forest land. That is your
That is
case.
my
Okay.
offense. Thereafter, he lodged an lodged an complaint on 18/3/2024 before the ranger, my lord,
Hmm.
forest department, and subsequently forest department party has coming the place of occurrence and stopped the work, my lord,
Hmm.
and labor. Thereafter, Pradeep Burman organized village meeting, and he already sell the land near the person, and they have thought that if the Bulen Bormon complain again and again in forest department, so we are evicted the land. Government evict our family. So neighbor are the apprehension, my lord, because they are evicted. If Bulen Bormon complain the forest department, subsequently on trees.
No, why are you paying him money?
That is, I said,
Hmm.
2000. First letter is 18/3/2024. Subsequently, 13/3/2024,
Hmm.
Pradeep Kolita's wife,
Hmm.
namely Monica Bormon,
Okay, she alleged that you have misbehaved her.
misbehavior. That is the false
Now,
allegation.
where is that affair?
FIR is, my lord,
And what happened to in that case?
NXRD, my lord.
What happened in that case?
And in that case, my lord, thereafter he demanded money.
No,
Bulen
what happened to the alleged rape case of his wife? That
That is-
misbehavior.
Grievance of 18/3/2024 complaint, my lord.
Hmm.
I have approached the forest department, so he fear and he fraudulently lodged an FIR through wife on 33/2024. Pradeep Kolita, well known that he is mistake. And as such, he over telephone called the our informant that.
And
he
why
would
have you
not-
compromised? You are so
No, no,
upright
no,
person.
that is the thing that
You ought not to have compromised.
Not, he informed us that my wife withdraw the case.
You
and
pay
he
me
will
money.
Pay money.
So why have you gone to meet him?
I meet him and pay the amount because the
Why?
case is our.
You are an upright person. You can fight for the forest, and you are not, you are paying black.
Hereafter, I have informed the police, my lord, on 5/4/2024. 2/4/24, he is returned my money, my lord.
Okay, he has come to
50,000.
this court, suffered a lot.
No, my lord, that is
You want
the
him
thing that
inside,
if
you
he
want
is-
him inside jail.
Yes, my lord. If he is released on anticipatory bail, here temper is so huge, my lord. And then
Will give
difficult,
strictest condition. He will not even go near your house.
Yes,
He will not do anything. Okay?
no, yes, my lord. But
Yes.
the laws again and again false affair against me, my lord.
Yes. Why you lost false affair? You are allotting forest land to others.
Well,
And
forest,
he is an upright citizen
well,
for the
forest department
foreigners.
has-
You demand black money.
Forest
And-
department has written a letter, my lord, saying, my lord, land belong to me, my lord. It's not a forest land.
No, your land is forest land, but you sell forest land to others.
It is on its
That is
reply
the
to
problem. Because forest cover is coming down. Let us have an direct and CBI inquiry against both of you.
Yes, my lord.
Huh? What is the actual case? That will be good. We'll pass that order. Let him be out. We'll give strict conditions. Okay, and he will not indulge any similar kind of offense or threatening you anything. But you also don't go to him and don't go when he calls you and don't pay money to him. You have some weakness. That's why you want to pay money.
Already, my lord, our informant lost another application on 5/4/2024. Page, my lord, 121.
121 what?
Affidavit, my
Madam,
lord.
I think this will be the
Affidavit, my lord.
yes, file.
bail application where we are having page number
121, yes, yes, file.
121.
120, my lord, Annexure G.
Hmm.
The officer in charge shut down Guwahati application regarding the return the demand money from me. This I inform already police station, my lord. Most as I be informed that she called me at Baghorpuri to return my money, rupees.
Oh, he has refunded you money also.
Yes, my lord.
50,000 refunded. Be happy.
Okay.
My lord, one thing, he appeared, the statement recorded, but one thing is that, my lord, police now on my lord, bail objection on 28/5, but he has threatened some witnesses, my lord, that is there, and earlier also the type of case. already
Then will
started
not
there.
get to bail.
No, my lord, that is not.
Your activities, you are not happy.
No, my
We thought that she is also.
Since we have filed, my lord, a bail petition for harassing the petitioner, that's why, my lord.
Why
that
have
way-
you returned the money? 50,000.
My lord, no, my lord.
Huh?
It is totally kindly peruse, my lord, page.
Some investigations are required in that allegation. What
No,
happened to that affair?
Kindly peruse, my lord.
That is Paresh, my lord, withdrawn, my lord, because
Kindly peruse page 81, my lord, the compromise, how, my lord, the informant.
already
harassed-
compromised.
Where is the compromise?
Yes, my page,
Page
Honorable 83, my lord.
of your petition.
My lord.
My goodness. Bail petition is 83
Page 80.
pages.
Since 2012, my lord, he is harassing, my lord, the petition. সন্মানপূর্বক নিবেদন যে বদাগুলি ঘটনাৰ বিষয়ত নিম্নলিখিত প্ৰথম পক্ষ দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ গণে পৃথকে পৃথকে আপোনাৰ থানাত লিখিত অভিযোগ দিছিল যদিও বৰ্তমান আলোচনাৰ মৰ্মে নিম্ন চৰ্ত মানি আপোচত আহিছো। চৰ্ত নং 1, মই দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ বুলেন বৰ্মন লিখিত প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দি জনাও যে প্ৰথম পক্ষ মণিকা ডেকা কলিতা তেওঁৰ স্বামী প্ৰতীক কলিতাৰ বিৰুদ্ধে অনা অভিযোগ সঁচা নাছিল। ভৱিষ্যতত তেওঁলোকে এনেধৰণৰ মনে সজা অভিযোগ দি মই কোনো ধৰণৰ প্ৰত্যক্ষ অথবা পৰোক্ষ হাৰাশাস্তি নকৰো। আইন শৃংখলা মানি সমাজ ব্যৱস্থাত মিলিজুলি চলিম। উক্ত প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি ভংগ কৰিলে আইনৰ যিকোনো শাস্তি মূৰ পাতি ল'ম। প্ৰথম পক্ষ অভিযোগ দিয়া ঘটনাৰ ওপৰত মই কোনো কাৰণে পুনৰাবৃত্তি নকৰো। It is his version.
That is my, I have next the.
Since 2012, my he is
Again,
harassing.
my lord, I have stated in evidence in affidavit paragraph 7, my lord. That
Yes.
deponent said that on 2/4/2024, the accused person forcefully took signature on blank paper from him.
Have you lodged an FIR against this?
I have already informed.
Have you lodged an FIR regarding this, that force?
Forcefully, yes, I have already informed the.
Where is that?
In affidavit.
Where is the FIR?
On Annexa Z, I have already
Page
informed this.
120.
120, my lord, I have. On that time, he and his wife was present, they took my signature, that I willingly, but I not given my signature.
Okay, let us go to the forensic. Hard. Swensu. There are FIRs and counter FIRs between the petitioner and the informant. Full stop. Informant is represented by MS
R. Kolita.
R. Kolita. Full stop. The petitioner was granted interim protection by this court under his order dated
My lord, 22/4/2024.
22/4/2024.
2024.
Full stop. Accordingly, the petitioner appeared before the IO and got his statement recorded. Full stop. Referring to the page 57 of page 57, annexure 14 of the bail petition. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the both parties have amicably settled their dispute in as much as clause 1 of the said settlement discloses that the informant has admitted that the FIR was lodged with a false allegation. Full stop. Countering such argument, the learned counsel for the informant, referring to an FIR dated 5/4/2024, isn't it? 120 5/4/2024 has alleged that her signature has been taken under pressure and coercion, and therefore she has already lost the aforesaid affair. Full stop. In view of such stand and statement made in the additional affidavit, which is brought on record today only, Mr. Parasar, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he will obtain instruction from the IO as regards the aforesaid development. Full stop. Accordingly, he prays for an adjournment. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on 13th of June 2024. Case diary be returned back and be furnished with an update. Interim order pass, I'll continue. Be careful. If materials comes that you are threatening to police, it will be you will be notified.
Well, it is suspected that police will submit against me.
Huh?
Petitioner has filed one bill application, my lord, since the police is harassing the petitioner. After filing the bail application, when the report was called for,
We'll see. It's not that as simple as we look into. A copy of the affidavit be additional affidavit filed by the informant be furnished to Mr. Parasar, learned counsel, learned additional public prosecutor. Give a copy to him. Yes.
FIR is page number 8.
What was your ground? FIR is at
Ground-
page. FIR is at page number
8, your lordship. There have been 2,710 grams of morphine recovered from the platform number 1 or from the railway station. This is the public place, your lordship.
Okay.
And my case is that, your lordship. There have been 2 witnesses has been cross-examined
Mm.
and mistakenly has come the report that 4 witnesses has been cross-examined and which was corrected by me on 28/5/2024. I have given the petition for correction it and the Honorable Trial Court has corrected of the order dated 19/4/2024 where is mentioned the PW4 was cross-examined instead of PW2.
Okay.
This is the certified copy.
So only 2 witnesses examined
Yes.
Out of 7.
out of 7.
And
Now, what is your prayer today?
Your Lordship, the accused was arrested on 15/6/2021 and 2 years
15/6/2021.
and
Now,
the charge has been framed in this case of 11/11/2021.
this is arrest. Charge on
11/11/2021.
11/11/2021.
2021. And he is in custody, Your Lordship, 2 years of 9 months.
2 years, 9 months.
His custody, Your Lordship.
Now,
Lordship,
2 witnesses examined.
yes, Lordship, since that day, charge framed 11/11/2021, after that fix the evidence since 11,
Last
since
witness
there-
examined, when the examination of witness started?
I have submitted.
Last
Your
witness was
19
examined on
2020.
19/4 cross of PW2.
Where is that? Some papers you have given, but it is not here. That document. It is not here. Yes, now which
Yes,
is,
yes, Lordship, I have submitted the one,
okay, give it.
one Supreme Court citation, Your Lordship.
No, we'll come to the Supreme Court citation later. Supreme Court last. First, let us understand what is it.
On 19/4 PW2 was cross-examined.
Yes, Lordship.
Now,
After that 18/5 was fixed for evidence.
what to be done? This is not a case for bail.
And further, my lord, so though 2 examined, 1 and 4, my lord, they examined, my lord, it has been probed, my lord, regarding the seizure.
There is some
Yeah, but
discrepancies are there, but you cannot say that that position is not
not
outrightly, you cannot
outrightly
deny.
cannot, my lord, resist.
Subject to further non-adherence of procedure, that will be different, but that evidence as IO is not even. Will request the learned trial court to complete it within 6 months.
Lordship, he is in custody 2 years of 9 months, Your Lordship. I have
What
submitted,
is the, what should be the punishment?
Lordship, 20 years. And Your Lordship, but
Be
Lordship,
there for another 3 years.
but Lordship, I have
Then,
submitted.
and then argue that point.
I have submitted one citation, Your Lordship, who's the bail order given by this honorable court on dated 1/12/2023,
In,
BA number 3190.
passed by this court.
Yes, Lordship.
For how many witnesses were there? What is the similarity of these cases?
14 witnesses, but 14 out of 14 witnesses, there have 1 witness was cross-examined on the.
There
paragraph
are
number
out
14.
of 14, 1 witness examined. Here out of 7, 2
2
examined.
examined.
What was the quantity
There
there?
have a question arise, Your Lordship, Article 21, where the accused was in custody since 2 years, 9 months, Your Lordship.
No, there are 37 satisfaction just page 19.
But
There we said that this will not be done
be the evidence.
because all against this accused, the allegation was based only on the statement under 67 of the NDPS Act. No other materials were there.
2 years, 9 months in
But
custody,
here
Your Lordship.
witness-
There the Article 21 arise, Your Lordship.
Article
and
21 who will arise.
Raghubir Singh and others.
We have already all determined in this case when Article 21 will be applicable. That may be an additional ground.
Your
But
lordship,
37 rigor will remain always.
but your lordship, 11/11/2021, the charge has been framed. It's from this.
Therefore, we are giving you 6 months.
After the days, your lordship, evidence fixed, but 2021 to 24, only 2 witnesses cross-examined. And your lordship, they have come to 21 article, and I want to submit the Raghubir Singh and others the citation.
Give us all citations, give us. What it said in Raghubir Singh.
Yes, lordship. There have been mentioned, your lordship, not extinguished by lapse of time, subsequent discharge of surety, filing of charge sheet, or remand to custody under section 309 clause 2 remains effective until cancellation under section 437 clause 5 and 439 clause 2.
Paragraph?
First page, your lordship, we have mentioned. Title, your lordship, not extinguished by lapse of time, subsequent discharge of surety, filing of charge.
If we go by this judgment, we'll write a judgment that, see, what is written?
Lordship, only I am going only for the length of detention, your lordship.
No, what it says, length of detention. Here it is says that in this case, there was an investigation. In this case, it is said that police is not only doing investigation of that case. It is a complex case. Therefore, delay in investigation will not violate Article 21. This is the judgment. Now we'll say that learned district judge is not dealing with only with NDPS cases. It is dealing with POCSO cases. We may also say that investigating officer is busy somewhere else. Do you want to say that?
Lordship,
Paragraph? Raghubir Singh and others.
Yes.
There are many other subsequent judgments, recent judgments.
Lordship, where I have submitted Ropi Prakash case. Your lordship,
Paragraph?
paragraph number 4.
This is not relevant judgment.
And Lordship, Biswajit Lokar, which is the, I have submitted the BA number 3.
Relevant judgment. We'll pass this order at 2. We'll dictate this order. But we are rejecting your bill, please.
But Lordship, he is in custody 2 years, 9 months, your lordship.
Maybe.
If any condition may be input, your lordship, bail may be allowed to him, your lordship.
This is not in our hands. You'll have to satisfy rigor of 37 is not there. And that you have already crossed many years and there is serious lapse on the part of the authorities that no witnesses has been examined.
But
in that case, out of 14 witnesses, only 2 was examined.
And your lordship, there
Listen. Then, in that case, we came to a conclusion that only material against the accused was the disclosure statement of his disclosure statement and the co-accused disclosure statement. No other material was there.
And he has no any other earlier offenses also, your lordship. This is the first offense where he has arrested.
Okay, next case.
And the person
Next
who
case.
is in custody 2 years, 9 months.
Okay. You come here, we'll dictate the order, then understand what. Heard MSA Medi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Who will appear? Goswami, MP Goswami, Learned Additional Public Procedures. Full stop. This is an application under section 439 CRPC seeking bail by the accused petitioner, namely Samir Khan, who was soon arrested on
Only arrested
15/6/2021. In 15/6/2021 in connection with NDPS case number
136/21.
136/21.
136/21. 1.
21. Arising out of NDPS case number
136/21.
21.
Yes.
Arising out of
Arising out of your lordship GRPS case number 49/21.
49/21, registered under sections
21C of NDPS Act.
21C of the NDPS Act 1985.
Chief.
Hmm.
Chief, actually, I have downloaded all the copies. 76 numbers of dated have been taken by the trial court. In the 76 numbers of dated, only 2 witnesses has been cross-examined. And page number 30, your lordship, order dated 14/2/23, directed to the IO for personal appearance. But IO has not come. After then, date has been fixed on 8/5 or yes, lordship, 8/5, 10/4. After 2014 to 10/4 was fixed for personal appearance to the IO. That also not come, IO. After then, that fixed 8/5/23 for personal appearance to the IO, directed by the Honorable Trial Court, but IO has not come in this case, your lordship. So delay the trial, your lordship, and which I have submitted the judgment, your lordship. Grant of bail on the ground of undue delay in the trial cannot be said to be fettered by Section 37 of NDPS Act 1985, inasmuch as Section 436A of the CRPC is made applicable to the offences under the NDPS Act by the Honorable Apex Court in the case of Satyendra Kumar Antil versus CBI reported. And paragraph number 8, your lordship, Section 36A of the
Of which
NDPS
judgment? This judgment is of
by this Honorable Court, your lordship.
which paragraph?
DA number 3193/23, paragraph number 7.
These are fine.
Yes, lordship. This
These
is
are
the
fine.
delay of the trial, your lordship. So under Section 37 has not come in this case, your lordship. And your lordship, under
Finally come to paragraph 10 of the judgment. This is the ratio, that is the ratio laid down in this judgment. Read the paragraph 10.
in the lordship, in the totality of the efforts
In the
of background-
totality of the, let me read it. In the totality of the aforesaid backdrop and proposition of law,
Yes.
this court is of the view that alongside the embargo placed under Section 37 of the NDPS Act 1985, the ground of undue delay in trial can also be a ground for granting bail. So it is not an absolute only delay. So 37 we will have to see. If we go into the 37 at this stage, in your case, two witnesses,
cross-examine.
no, two witnesses have supported their case and they were you have not been able to check their credentials. So therefore, we will have to say that. That's why we want to say that we'll say that within 6 months or 8 months it will be completed. It is key way, sir. This is the proposition. You cannot pick one paragraph, avoid one paragraph. The proposition is paragraph 10. So in terms of the proposition, we have balanced it, the period of detention and 37. And we found that this is not a fit case to grant you bail.
Lordship, in this case also, after 2 months of the arresting accused person, charge sheet has been submitted by the IO, your lordship.
That you are not getting my point. Okay, we'll pass this order.
Sure.
Understand what I am saying trying to say. Your witnesses, 2 witnesses examine. They say that this was recovered from his bank bag on such and such. Whether it's a public place, not this, that, this will come at the time of argument, not for the purpose of bail. Prima facie, we are satisfied that they are being able to discharge their, they have laid their foundation. Now, rest will depend upon the other witnesses. So this is not a fit case. Are you getting? Don't smile, be serious. Are you getting?
Yes, lordship.
Where either will dismissing it that may have some effect of non-granting subsequently, or you may say that at this stage you are not pressing this matter
Yes, Lordship.
with a liberty to press after you come, after the IO is examined, you come thereafter. Full stop. Will that do, or I pass an order on merit? What do you want? We are dismissing this petition.
No, Lordship. Sometime, Your Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner prays that matter may be adjourned accordingly. Prayer is allowed, please, after 4 weeks. Yes, you do.
My lord, Mr. S. Botago is on legs at 14:22, my lord.
Where is Mr. Nath?
Lordship, he is also on leg court number 23.
Now what to be done?
Person may take it after some time, my lord.
After
Let's
some
on
time.
it today. Both the learned counsel for the parties are stated to be on legs in another court. Accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed next week. We are here. Yes. Let him start or what?
Yes, Lordship, please.
Which petition will take?
Your lordship, if your lordship takes 1108, your lordship,
1108.
08, your lordship.
So we are going for final disposal, madam. No adjournment midway.
I'll inform Dina.
No, he will come. He has told me. Yes,
Okay,
he will-
because see, people are waiting. If we start it, it will take some time.
Lots,
Isn't it?
lots.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Bhattakur,
Lordship.
just tell us what is what.
Facts of the case are like this, your lordship. On 7/4/2023,
7/4, give the
2023.
UAPA Act, na? UAPA. Na? This is what is the act?
UAPA, your
UAPA.
lordship.
Unlawful act. This is the. On 7/4,
2023. FIR was lost,
2023.
your lordship.
FIR.
FIR was lost. 4 accused persons were arrested, your lordship.
4 accused arrested.
4 accused were arrested.
Who are these?
Dear your lordship, in 1108, there one, your lordship.
So both were arrested on the same day.
Same.
Okay, 2 accused. How many petitioners are there here?
4. your
Two.
In 1108, one petitioner and rest are
Okay.
in 1105.
Okay.
There are 3 others.
So can we pass a common order?
Yes, yes, sir. Issue is same, your lordship.
Okay. FIR, 4 accused person arrested. Then
Lordship. And case Borpeta PS case number 175 of 2023.
Borpeta PS case number
175 of 2023
175 of 2023.
under section 120B, 121, 121A IPC.
And
Read with section 10, 13 and 18 of UAPA. Case was registered.
okay.
Now, your lordship,
Then what happened thereafter?
thereafter, your lordship, the charge sheet was filed on 6/7/2023.
6/7/2023.
Charge sheet number 419 of 2023,
Charge sheet filed.
lordship.
Okay.
And charge sheet was, your lordship, when charge sheet was filed, your lordship, charges were under section 10, 13 and 18. The
No,
IPC
no
section-
120B,
No,
nothing.
your lordship. Rest of the sections were
Charges are section 10,
13 and 18
section 10, 13
and
and
18,
18
18 of the UAPA.
UAPA.
So far as your lordship, the petitioner in 1108 is concerned, your lordship, he is, in his case, the charge sheet only mentioned the section 13.
Okay, in case of accused, what is the name?
Zakir Hussain. There are 2 Zakir Hussains, your lordship.
So is how many charge sheet were filed?
One single charge sheet, your lordship. One
Okay,
charge sheet,
against Zakir Hussain, it is
only
under-
13, your lordship.
only 13.
13.
Okay.
Now, your lordship, thereafter, your lordship,
Charge sheet filed and
Then your lordship, ultimately, cognizance was taken, statement was issued, your lordship.
When?
Cognizance order, your lordship, I don't have, your lordship. Otherwise, your lordship, cognizance was taken.
On?
and Cognizance, that date, your lordship, I will have to look.
Okay. What is happening, Muslim?